Hello everyone, this is JR installing a rough country steering stabilizer shock. It says 69 through 87, I believe that's what it says. This is a rough country. I picked it up from Amazon, and there's just not too many videos that show a two-wheel drive steering stampler, so hopefully this helps someone in the future with all the headaches, because I cannot find anything online regarding the steering stabilizing shock or dampener from rough country, and it works really good. And this is my setup showing how I bolted it up right here to the steering linkage, going all the way up. I believe is picture. That's the way the bracket looks like, because a lot of people don't show the bracket. It's kind of hard, you see, on some of them. And I want to show exactly how I'm mounting mine. See, that's what it looks like. And hopefully this is going to help someone also, you know. I really, you know, I drilled a hole, a 7/16 hole with the 7/16 drill bit, so I could put the bolt, or this it came with the hardware, and that was the only minor modification that I had to do, because it says installed through the hole from the inside of the chassis. Mine did not have it. I tried it all different ways with the steering, the shock mounted going to the gearbox, vice versa, and I found this is the best way to install it, and the easiest, with nothing pretty much in my way to drill the holes for this bracket here. Now I just hope this helps someone in the future that are doing the square body Chevys, and you guys are going to be happy with it. The instructions when you buy the kit, it's going to call for, it says Dodge. It says Dodge. Look at that. But pretty much close. You're just gonna have to drill a hole. Like I said, a 7/16 hole. Okay? And do this. So if you have any questions or anything, hit me up or send me an email. This is JR, giving back to the YouTube community for so much stuff that we learn on the how-tos, and I hope this helps someone. Later.